What is up, everybody? Okay, here's just a quick one to show you how to find the expressions for metahumans in 5.5. If you go down to cinematics, create a level sequence, just call it metahuman expressions. It should be sequencer, so SQ. And you just create a sequencer, you drag it in. You can move that out of the way and open your sequencer. I've got details, make sure you're in details. Double click the sequencer and you'll get this here. Next thing, what you want to do is just take your metahuman, click it, add, and then select add sequencer, and then this, bam, AB, whatever. And then you get everything here, and over here it should change to animation. Now, animation, you can start going into poses, click on the poses, it'll open up a screen here, and then what you can do is you can right click and say add folder, or add existing folder to view. Bam, you'll get something that pops up like this. Go into your metahumans, common, animation, or pose library, face right here, and you can just click on the actual face here and say okay, and this will bring up what exactly did that do here? Metahumans, common, and animation, and not animation, pose library, damn it, and then face, and here you can get your Vismes and expressions. Okay, so it's kind of the same as always what it used to be, and over here it just makes life a lot easier, right? So you can click on an expression, say angry, you can select, make sure you're in your outliner, select controls, it'll select the controls for you, and you can say click the key there and paste the pose. We just go here and just get rid of that, and then you can go to the next one. You can select what face you want, select controls, paste the pose, go to the next one, select what you want, select and paste the pose. Right, so basically you get now a nice way of editing these, obviously you can close the entire face control down here, and you can just make life a lot easier. I'm holding down control and scrolling up and down, and you can just take all of these keyframes and you can move them to where you want, make them faster, slower instead of each one, and you can just go ahead and do that. So over there you can find that over there, which is quite cool. Now if you go to your poses and you click on that, it should just automatically open up to where you have it, and it's got in your library. You can check out your expressions, combinations. You can click a combination, add it right there, select controls, paste pose, and you've got it. Okay, so it's nice. You can use these very nicely, especially the Vismes, which is your wording. If you want to lip sync, you can use these, which are extremely powerful. Really. Go a little bit further, whatever, I don't know, take one of those, paste pose, and you can see here that you start getting like your cool ready. Anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great Christmas, people. Have a great Christmas, New Year's, holidays, whatever the hell you call them, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye, guys.